Hi, it's Michelle. Thanks for joining me. It's time to open day number 8 of our Advent calendar for 2024. So let's jump right down to the table and let's take a peek. First, I've still got my little card here on the table that we made yesterday. So if you didn't watch us open day number 7, we did make a card also. So if you'd like to check that out, just go back and check out day number 7. But without further ado, let's open day number 8. Aha! It is the coordinating dies that go along with the stamp set that we opened yesterday with the panda holding the balloon. We've got a die for the sentiment as well as that little heart stamp. So cute. Can't wait to use it. And while I'm down here, are any of you cutting apart the little bag and using the bags in your card making? If you have any good part of the bag, don't forget you can use that too. I'm one of those that try to never waste anything, but you never know. You can get creative with lots of stuff. Well, thanks so much for joining me for opening day number 8. I hope you'll join me tomorrow when we open number 9. Until then, keep living the creative life.